Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In this video, we'll take you through a simple, step-by-step guide to setting up the TRENDnet AC1200 Wi-Fi range extender using the WPS method. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a stronger and more reliable Wi-Fi connection in just a few minutes. Let's dive in and get started. Begin by unboxing your TRENDnet AC1200 Wi-Fi range extender and ensuring all components are included. Next, plug the extender into a nearby power outlet close to your main Wi-Fi router. Allow a few moments for the power LED to stabilize and turn solid green. Begin by plugging your extender into a power outlet near your Wi-Fi router. Allow a minute for the power LED on the extender to light up and turn solid green, indicating that it is powered on and ready for setup. Locate the WPS button on your main Wi-Fi router, which is typically labeled WPS. Depending on the brand and model, it may be positioned on the front, back, or side of the router and often features an icon resembling two circular arrows forming a loop. Press and hold the WPS button on your Wi-Fi router for approximately 2 to 3 seconds. You should see the WPS LED indicator begin to blink, signaling that the router has entered pairing mode and is ready to establish a connection with your extender. Within 2 minutes of activating WPS on your router, press the WPS button on your TRENDnet AC1200 Wi-Fi range extender. The WPS LED on the extender will begin blinking, indicating an active connection process. This pairing procedure may take up to 1 minute to complete. Next, unplug the TRENDnet AC1200 extender and move it to a location that requires improved Wi-Fi coverage. Make sure it remains within range of your main router for optimal performance. Once in place, plug the extender back in and wait for the LEDs to stabilize. To complete the setup, test your connection by connecting a device such as your smartphone, tablet, or laptop to the newly extended Wi-Fi network. Ensure the device connects successfully, and check that the signal strength is strong and stable for seamless use. If you experience any issues or need assistance, our team of experienced professionals is ready to help. Don't hesitate to reach out for expert support and guidance. You can contact us at 1-323-507-3713 for prompt assistance. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully set up your TRENDnet AC1200 Wi-Fi range extender using the WPS method. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials. Thanks for tuning in.